Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this amazing lifetime 8x10 outdoor storage shed. I really like that it came with absolutely everything I needed to build the shed myself. It even comes with an instructional video that showed me step by step how to build the shed, so that was very helpful. Following the instructions, it only took me a couple afternoons to finish it. I could tell right away that this plastic will withstand the elements, any rain, any snow. It will hold up really strong. It's a very sturdy, a very strong plastic. I really like that it comes with some hooks you can place on the wall, and it also comes with two shelves you can place in either side of the shed to store more things up higher. I think this is a very good quality shed that is going to keep all of my stuff safe and secure. And that is my point of view.